Good morning, students. Class 10th, Chapter 5, Exercise 5.1. In the Chapter 5, we have already discussed definition of arithmetic progression. As a revision, definition of arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a list of number in which each term is obtained after adding a fixed number in the preceding term, except the first term. For example, we write a first term 7. Then we add a fixed term in this term. Suppose we add 3. Then the next term is 10. Then again add 3, 13, 16 and so on. It is an AP. D is a common difference. It means difference between second term and first term. We already discussed that common difference may be negative, positive or 0. A, small a indicate first term. Small a indicate first term. And special general form of an AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. And in the exercise 5.1 we have already done question number 1. Now start question number 2. Write first 4 term of the AP. यहाँ पे हमने दो पार्ट स्टडी करे हैं. In the first part, what is the value of A? -2 and D is equal to 0. And we have to write first 4 term. First term तो already -2 indicate है. Second term -2 plus 0. It means also -2. Third term -2 plus 0 again -2. And the fourth term -2 plus 0 again -2. So first 4 term -2, -2, -2, -2. In the fifth part, first term also indicate -1.25. Second term -1.25 plus -0.25. And the answer is -1.50. Now we have to write third term -1.50 plus -0.25 and the value is -1.75. And the fourth term -1.75 plus -0.25 and the value is -2.00. So first 4 term -0.25 -1.25 comma -1.50 comma -1.75 comma -2.00. Now question number 3. For the following APs, write the first 4 term and the common difference. In the question, APs are given. Suppose we note second part. In the second part, AP is -5, -1, 3, 7 and so on. First term obviously -5 and we have to write common difference. उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? सेकेंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म -1 -5 -1 plus 5 and the value is 4. So first term is -5 and the common difference is 4. Similarly we can do remaining parts of this question. Okay, now note down it. Okay, now student, we have to done question number 4. In the question number 4, which of the following are APs? In the list of number, we have to consider that the given list of number is an AP, yes or no. If they form an AP, if the list of the number is an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. And after this we have to write next 3 terms also. We have to study second, 9th and 12th parts. Remaining parts do yourself. In the second part, list of the number 2, 5/2, 3, 7/2, comma and so on. To check that is in AP yes or no, we have to find out difference between second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term. We have to check that second term minus first term and the value is always same because common difference is same, so it is an AP. If the AP, then we have to find out common difference, and the common difference is 1/2, and the next three terms, 5th, 6th and 7th, 5th term 4th term plus D, 6th term 5th term plus D, 7th term 6th term plus D. 9th part, list of the number 1, 3, 9, 27 and so on. Second term minus first term, the value is 2. Third term minus second term, value is 6 because common difference is not same, so it is not an AP. In the 12th part, list of the number under √2, √8, √18, √32. Firstly, we simplify it. √8 is 2 under √2. Under √8 factorize. So we can write under √8 as a 2 under √2. Similarly, √18 can be written 3 under √2, √32 can be written 4 under √2. Find out difference, same as a question second part. 2 under √2 minus under √2, under √2, 3 under √2 minus 2 under √2 is equal to under √2 because common difference same, so it is an AP. D की value under √2. 5th term, to find out 5th term we add common difference in 4th term. Find out 6th term, we add common difference in the 5th term. 7th term we add common difference in the 6th term. So these are next 3 terms. Note down it.